Look, there are only three real paths to German: language courses, language of media consumption, and social life. If you combine them properly, you can get fluent shockingly fast. I'll show you the exact routine I used, how I built a vocabulary with one simple notebook habit, how to get courses funded, and how to use your daily life, uni, work, football, etc. to force German into your system until it sticks. If you truly put in 3 to 4 hours a day, you're looking at 6 to 9 months till you become fluent. If you like structure, courses help a lot. You can take them at your university, the Volkshochschule in your city, private language schools, or one-to-one tutoring. If you're unemployed or on a job search visa, or you've been laid off, talk to the Agentur für Arbeit and sometimes even the Ausländerbehörde. They do sponsor German or integration courses, especially if you're on benefits. Please ask, be proactive. My path was simple. I did A1 to B1 with courses, then I pushed B2 mainly through real life examples, work, friends, football, etc. Later, I took a C1 course at LMU to get a certificate. Honestly, by that time, my German was already there. The university course was just simply a stamp on the paper. I never really prepared for the exam but still passed it with 88% marks. Now, if you're thinking, I can't afford classes, hear me. Anything they teach you in a class, you can learn yourself. Get the textbook and the workbook, whether it is Schritte or Aspekte. Just sit down daily and study. And also use AI. If a grammar point won't click, ask ChatGPT. Really, do it. Check the answers and then repeat. Make German the default sound in your day. Every time you open YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, or podcast, you should switch to German. If you want to watch a Hollywood movie, pick the German dub and German subtitles version. If that's too hard, watch once in English for the context, then re-watch it in German so your brain already knows the meaning and can track the language easily. Here are some resources that I like. Deutsche Welle's Nico's Weg. It is free and structured from beginner to difficult. Easy German includes a lot of street conversations which make it excellent for real life phrases. Then there is Learn German with Anya on YouTube, who has an amazing playlist which teaches you from A1 to C1 all levels. When it comes to podcasts, I would start them once you're around B1 so you don't get frustrated. Also, German music helps to learn the street language or the Umgangssprache. And remember, the priority list for real life. Listening is the most important, speaking is second, and third is writing. If you can understand German, you can live in Germany. Writing can be supported by tools at work or uni in 2025. So most of your energy should go into listening and speaking. This is where you speed run the language. At university, sit with Germans. At work, go to lunch with German colleagues. On your football team, talk in German. Even if you understand half of it, sit there and let your ears work. Your brain is mapping patterns the entire time. If you do music, if you do any form of sports, hang out with team members who speak and talk in German the whole time. It really helps. My biggest breakthrough was in Munich when I joined a student fraternity. It was quite a traditional super German fraternity, and the big reason for me to join it was the language. Everything in that house was German. Breakfast, German. Meetings, German. Sports, German. Weekends, German. Wake up, you speak, you listen, you think, everything in German. After 3 to 4 months of that, I was done with the awkwardness. To be honest, that was the pinnacle for me. From that point onwards, I could say confidently that I'm fluent in German language. If you can't find that level of immersion, you have to manufacture it yourself. Language cafes, a weekly tandem partner, a local sports club, or volunteering. Join any of these to get an advantage. Make a pact with your tandem partner. 30 minutes only German, then 30 minutes English, or whatever language you want to exchange them with. Create context where you must speak. The first few weeks are uncomfortable, but then trust me, your brain starts clicking. This is my non-negotiable. I carry the same small notebook everywhere, whether it be university classes, paid courses, lectures, or lunch breaks. You can also use the Notes app on your phones or tablets, but since I'm a millennial, carrying a notebook was my way. Every time someone says a word you don't know, write it down. A classmate uses a word you don't know, write it down. Teacher says something new, write it. You see a word in a workbook text you don't know, write it. On the U-Bahn or on a poster or in a song, write it. At night, I opened my notebook and reviewed the entire list, not just today's page, the entire list from start till the end. I wrote the meaning next to each word in English or my native language. Then I'd cover the meaning with my hand and test myself. Next day, same routine. This is how you build vocabulary. The goal is instant mapping. Someone says Nachrichten, your brain fires news messages without hesitation. Words should be on your fingertips. Reps, not magic. Once you hit 2,000 to 3,000 solid words, daily conversation becomes comfortable. That's the threshold where everything accelerates. Listening is clearer, speaking flows, and you stop translating sentence by sentence. You don't need the entire dictionary, you need 9 real conversations first. Greetings, intro, ordering food, asking directions, doctor basics, appointments, small talk at work, giving a short update, and asking for help. Build reusable phrases for each and drill them until they fire automatically. Ich habe einen Termin um ... Konnten Sie das bitte wiederholen? Can you please repeat it? Ich lerne noch, sprechen Sie bitte etwas langsamer. I'm still learning, please speak slowly. Pair that with 5 to 10 minutes of shadowing daily. Pick a native clip. Easy German, slow news, Nico's Weg, as I mentioned. Listen to one line, repeat immediately. Record yourself reading the full paragraph and compare. You'll catch the pronunciation, rhythm, and case endings you thought you nailed. Here's the honest math. If you dedicate 3 to 4 focused hours a day, 1 hour textbook, 1 hour workbook, 1 hour German TV, and 1 hour real conversation or tandem, you can reach solid fluency in 6 to 9 months. Take Saturdays off if you need. Monday to Friday, you should show up. If you go lighter, 1 to 2 hours a day, you're looking at 12 to 18 months. Still great, still life-changing. The key is consistency, and then there are of course outliers. I know a guy who's now a cardiologist. He arrived with 0 German, needed to study medicine at Charité Berlin. He had 3 months to pass the DSH exam. He locked himself in, studied 8 to 10 hours a day, passed with 94%. Is this normal? No, but it shows what focused hours can do. For the rest of us corporate slaves like me, 6 to 9 months is realistic if you push. A year to a year and a half if you go steady. Pick your plan and don't drift. Look, German opens your life here. Jobs, friends, confidence. Use classes if you want structure. Flood your day with German media and build immersion through your actual life. Uni, work, sports. Carry the notebook everywhere. Review the entire list every night. After a few months, you'll shock yourself. If you like this video, please subscribe and share, and send this to this one friend who keeps saying that they'll start learning German soon. Start today and remember, consistency and be smart.